So in the book of that, I see what are you that man.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So guys, so before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, leave a comment down below what you think this video is going to, like, what you think, okay, what you think, and at the end of the video just reply under your comments and tell me how you feel about the prank. So in this video, and then make sure you go follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. So in this video I have these two scratch cards I got from Amazon. So I'm gonna be doing a prank on my husband. So basically I'm gonna go walk to Publix and I'm gonna buy some more scratch cards so it doesn't look too suspicious, right? So I told him that I'm walking to Publix and he keep insisting, oh, just wait until I come and we can go together, right? I told him that I'm gonna buy some bun and cheese because it's Easter and there's no bun and cheese in the house. So I need some bun and cheese. Like, I really need some bun and cheese, right? I need some bun and cheese. So he said, okay, right? He keeps it like, I'm like, I'm gonna go by myself, right? So I'm gonna go get the cards and I'm gonna go get extra cards and I'm gonna go get $2 ones, because these are $2 ones too, right? And then I'm going to record his reaction of me scratching off the ticket and telling him that I've won. Stay tuned to see how much I've won. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna buy one of this. That's 5. I have $1 available, so I'll buy this one. Okay, let's see how this prank go. So, about this. So let's see. Yeah, guys, I just come back from Publix and I got these cards. I hope you guys can see it. You guys see it? So yeah, I got these. So let's see. I'm gonna text him and tell him I'm walking back home, and yeah, if he's almost home, so we're gonna wait on him. So yeah, but can you guys tell, like, the difference between these cards? Like, you cannot tell the difference. Like, they all look so real. All right, guys, I'm going to stop because it's like so much traffic on the road and I don't want anybody to think I'm a mad person. Yep. All right then, guys, I'll see you when the video starts, when the prank go down.
Now, what are them flakes and I go up on a bun and cheese?
What?
What are flakes? From the scratch off on bun and cheese. Be a soul for your stomach.
You want to stretch them?
Just go around. Go shop the gum for it.
The only add for do it?
gun there. I have a different respect for me and all, no? I hope you don't put your sheet in us. Here. Okay.
Only that. Why are you looking at me?
Go to bed.
Yes, I know in here.
The servant got to protect you.
Let's call it what it is.
Fuck!
Don't turn up on it.
There!
Come, why are you shouting?
There.
What?
Win.
We know. I'm sure we're not going to have a win then.
No! There. Is it who wins?
We know. We know.
What's your superpower?
They can't read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It said 25,000.
Yeah, you know when that reader was good.
There, it's a look. It's a winning numbers, and it's a your number. See, 13. I have 12. See the 12 there right there. So
The last thing I need is more hepatitis.
Don't forget all of the
no, dear.
There.
It's a match. Look, it's a match.
Don't
Any
forget
number.
Yeah, I'm right next to you. Yeah. Why you not have the ability to control yourself?
Dear, it's a match. Any. It's a match. Any number. You see?
What the number underneath it means?
That's the money where you win.
No, what the 25. Oh.
See, it said the winning numbers.
I'm saying the book of that. Let's see what are you that man.
But can't be so win.
No, we win.
Dear, I mean like because
Where you was by? Tell me where you was by.
no, well, you didn't give me money, but
Oh no, yeah, what?
but my money.
No. Let me see.
No,
You see that?
no, dear. Jay,
Hmm?
I know your money and my money.
No, for this I'm mine.
Oh, after you're in jail?
No, half of the mine. No, that's
No,
no. Just tell me.
Me
ask
get $2,000.
Blood. Alright, man. Now hold this. It's how you thinking that. Man.
There.
No.
Alright, if me get a fight, if me get $5,000.
But they talking to half of the money, yes or no?
But you're not even like with my bike scratch card.
Yeah, but you have money for buy it.
Alright.
Just tell me. No, I'm either entitled to half fight or no. So you tell me.
But you think you deserve a fight?
That's not what I ask you. Am I entitled to half or no?
Yeah.
May I get half or no?
Alright.
No, is yes or no?
No.
No, alright, cool. No.
Alright, dear. Alright. But you know say
The grandfather this. No, tell me what your answer. Hold on, man. Keep us up there, man. I'm not here asking nothing. You're so silent.
can't think of a call my mother and tell her.
Call him on and oh.
Alright, dear, you can get a fight.
That's what I'm going to want. The only thing I need to do is put the money in the account. We are going to tell people something.
we're gonna get?
I don't know, then probably take 30% of that.
So 30% out some maybe we get like what 20,000?
30%, I'm more money than that. 6. I'm probably take 7,500 of that.
But we still get no. Cause if we just use $2 for this.
Mm-hmm. Sure, turn it out, I'll be trying.
So but what we are gonna do with it?
Where do you
Now
need
let's-
the money?
I'm gonna sign it. You wanna sign it?
No, put your signature on it.
Don't understand loyalty anymore.
Mayans. All new tonight at 10 on FX. Next day FX on Hulu.
Where do you need the
Spring is finally here, and you're just itching to upgrade your stuff. The best way to do that is in a new Hyundai. Like the Santa Fe with an available class-exclusive digital smartphone key and loads of the latest technology. Drive your upgrade home instead of having it delivered. Although, we can do that too during the Hyundai Spring.
That's crazy.
That's a lot of money. For $2? Oh well.
I read the cab.
We'll get half of the jackpot, Jay. You can't believe so, won't we? But my thing say if I just take
The fuck? Where buy this?
a Publix, why?
Them tickets are fake. Cause it's so weird to all this.
How what happened?
Ticket not real, man.
Oh, it's not real.
You buy this on Publix?
Mm-hmm.
From the machine?
Yeah.
And where it say?
I buy this stuff down here.
Cause it says it's a prank.
It is a prank. I got him! I got him! Everybody on my social media they said, oh, we try to prank your husband. So I was like, let me see how I can prank him and stuff. Let me see. How you turn this around? How does that feel? No, because you read the card at the back.
Alright, cool. Stop the video and then watch it. More reaction for the thing. You did that go on the most way and you had to say, yo, calm down.
But
The only thing I ask is if me entitled to half or no.
there.
Up on the conversation.
But you don't think that you got prank a little?
Yeah, alright, yeah, cool, but it's not like you're getting a reaction out of it for the 25s.
So you're saying 25,000 is not a lot of money? For $2?
Yeah, I guess. I don't mean to play the latter than you.
Jerome said, you don't think I'm entitled to half of it.
No, watch the video.
So guys, so the prank, Jerome, the prank work, right? No, the prank work, guys.
You get a 6 out of 10.
No, you guys make sure you like this video to the.
You have the best reaction to it and non-reaction.
You did react because it was like make sure I'm gonna get half of the money.
There was no make sure.
No, you said am I entitled to half of the money?
Yeah, love, I'm not going to argue with my reaction. It's on video, no?
Yeah, you said
Okay.
you said
Alright,
am I entitled to half of the money?
Alright, I'm gonna listen.
Alright guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe. Jay, you have anything to say?
Remember my $2 we used to buy that ticket there.